Unlock your shopping flexibility with our step-by-step guide on how to master your Clearpay gift cards. Ready to shop smarter and spread the cost? Clearpay gift cards are your golden ticket to flexible payments with a wide network of your favorite retailers. First things first, let's get your gift card ready whether you've been gifted one or purchased it yourself. The process is straightforward. When you're at the checkout of an accepted retailer, simply look for the Clearpay payment option. Most Clearpay gift cards are redeemed directly at the point of sale when you select Clearpay as your payment method. During the Clearpay checkout process, you'll often see a dedicated field to enter your gift card details. This might involve entering the card number and a PIN or security code found on the back of your physical card. Or if it's digital, it will be provided in your confirmation email. Once you enter your gift card information, the value will be applied to your purchase, reducing the total amount you owe. Any remaining balance can then be paid using one of your linked payment methods, just like a regular Clearpay purchase. Clearpay gift cards are accepted at a growing list of retailers. This includes popular fashion brands, electronic stores, and home goods outlets. Always check the specific retailer's policy to confirm they accept Clearpay gift cards for a seamless shopping experience. With your Clearpay gift card, you can now enjoy your purchases immediately while spreading the payments into manageable installments, making budgeting a breeze. So go ahead, treat yourself, and experience the convenience of Clearpay gift cards for your next shopping spree.